Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how we can add our domain name to the BlueHost hosting plan. So in the last video, I have shared how we can change the DNS name server details of our domain. So you can see that I have provided the DNS server details of bluehost.com hosting account, and I already have opened or logged into my BlueHost cPanel. Now the connection between this domain and BlueHost is already done. After that, we have to add this domain within BlueHost hosting as an add-on domain. How can we do that? Now in the left side you can see there is something called domains. Click on it. Then there is something called assign. So if you click on my domains, you will see all the domains that you have already added to this hosting plan. Now what I'll do, I'll click on that assign. So as soon as we click on this assign option, it will open a page like this. Okay. So what we need to do, we have to select the other option. Use a domain that is not already associated with your account, and then we can provide our domain name. So as soon as we provide our domain name, it will start verifying the domain. You can see that something is happening here, and then you can see automatically ownership verified. The name servers for domain wptutorials101.com are currently set to ns1 bluehost.com, ns2 bluehost.com. So that means our domain ownership has been verified. Why that happened? Because we have changed the name server to the BlueHost name server, and the connection happened automatically. Okay. Now just scroll down to the end of this window. The last option is automatically selected. Now create a new directory. Now in every hosting plan, there is a public_html. There is a common folder under which we have to create a specific folder of our particular website. And by default, there will be a subdomain created on that particular hosting plan. So automatically whatever name will come, you just keep that name. If you want to change it, you can change it, but I generally keep that name because that is the name of that particular website. Now under this public_html/ this folder, we can install our website. We can host our website. Okay. So we have nothing to do here. Simply click on this assign this domain button. So you can see that as soon as the assignment is done, so we will navigate to this particular page. Okay. I have just scrolled down and put a filter here. So you can see the wptutorials101.com. So that domain has added to our BlueHost account as an add-on domain. Now our domain has added to the BlueHost hosting account. The next thing what we can do, we can start installing WordPress on our domain name so that we can start creating the website. So that's all in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.